guys, how are you guys doing? My ladies, how are you all doing? Not just ladies, my ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Thank you for watching, coming back and asking for more. Thank you so much. God bless you. Without you, we will not be here. And did you know something? We are 2 years. Oh my God, two years. We're 2 years vlogging, and I thank God for all He has done. I thank God for you guys. I thank God for the platform. It's haven't been the Lord, we wouldn't have been able to come this far. This is another of my opportunity to be on leave. I'm on leave again this time, so you're going to be having back to back recipe. And how you guys doing? For me, I'm good, I'm great, I'm sound, I'm okay. So today we're going to be doing coconut cookies. I could remember when I was a little girl, I always loved to have coconuts, either coconut candy or coconut cookie. And there is a shop down our street, and honestly speaking, the smell, the aroma of the coconut, it's always on point. You will want to look for the shop. So today I'm going to make my own recipe. Let's make it together. God bless you. Recipe goes da 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 da. So I'm having 480 grams of coconut flakes. This is how it is, white coconut flakes. You get it in your market. Then you have all-purpose flour, 480 grams of all-purpose flour. I have 240 grams of sugar. So the brown sugar and the white sugar. The brown sugar is 120 and the brown sugar is 120. And I have 240 grams of butter, unsalted butter in room temperature. Don't forget that. And I have my vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 medium egg. So this is how we are using for today. So let's get into the process. The first thing we're going to be doing is my butter. Let me set all this aside. So don't forget, you can use your hand mixer. Just mix your butter and your sugar into the mixer. In my butter goes into my mixer, all of it. The brown and the white sugar goes in. I'm going to be mixing it. Ingredient goes now. I'm going to be mixing all my dry ingredients together. So I'm pouring in my flakes. And I'm going to be pouring in my salt, my baking soda, and my baking powder. So mix everything together. I would have used a bigger bowl, but still yet it goes. combine everything together. So it's well combined now. What we're going to do is to scrape in. We're scraping all the butter. See, it's already well thoroughly mixed, so just scrape everything. So now we're going to be adding in our eggs. So we're adding in our eggs, pour it in, and I'm going to be adding in my vanilla and allow it to mix together. It is mixed in, adding butter again, and add the rest in. All well combined. We don't want it chewy, so we're going to be not mixing for long. Just allow everything to be combined in, and that's it. So we're done mixing. I'm taking it out. And we're going to allow it to rest. Well mixed. So we're going to be putting it. So I'm going to be using an ice cream scooper to get it off. So here it is. I'll just scoop it and put it on my tray. Scoop. 2, 3. I love counting. So I'm going to wet it a bit. And give it space because it's still going to flat out. Okay, and we're going to be baking for 10 minutes in 150 degrees. So I'm going to get into that. Thank you for staying with me. The coconut cookies are ready. Have a look at it. Thank you for staying with me. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. God bless you. Bye. And look how brown it is. Looks so nice. Thank you for staying with me till now. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. God bless you.